Look at Daddy. I would say wave, but maybe don't.
Hi, Draco.
What scooterers? Scooterers. I'm going to get tired of this game, yeah. Okay. Coming in for a landing. Now.
Nice job. Yay.
More? I know.
Yep.
He's never going to get tired of this game.
We'll see you next week, Tom. Oh, you all right?
Back up. You ready?
And he's back.
All right.
All right.
He feels no pain.
That's right.
No pain, no gain.
You fall off the scooter, you get right back on. See you guys.